Oliver Barrett. I'm 75 years old and I had an EchoLaser procedure at the end of July this year here at the Royal Surrey. So it's prior to the operation I'd been on medication for several years for an enlarged prostate, and that the symptoms were gradually getting worse, in fact frequent need to go to the toilet, and I started to find that it was impacting my life a bit, in the sense that everywhere I went, especially by road, I needed to plan so that I could stop, and getting stuck in a traffic jam was not a pleasant experience, shall we say. So I was offered the EchoLaser treatment. I was already on the waiting list for the conventional TERP treatment, but Mr. Chedid offered me the opportunity of the EchoLaser procedure, which I took really, and I came in, I think it was 7:30 in the morning. Everything went very smoothly. I was actually home by lunchtime, and I was guided through everything and a lot of reassurance, shall we say, from you about the procedure and what was going to be done. Obviously I was sedated during that, but I had no no effects really from it. There was no bleeding, no pain. Yes, I felt a bit battered on the following day, a bit bruised, but other than that, nothing. And that was just for 24 hours or so after the surgery. Gradually, since that time, the symptoms of it improved or decreased. So now I can go predominantly through the night without waking, which is good. I'm much more confident about travelling and controlling things. So, and I would say everything is a positive so far. I think sometimes I feel as if I want to go to the toilet, but I think that's more psychological than anything else. You know, that there's not actually a lot there, although sometimes I feel, especially if I'm not distracted by something, I feel I feel as if I need to go at times. But I would say yes, no after effects at all really. It was very, very comfortable. I was very impressed with the treatment I had. It was everyone was very good, very reassuring about what was going to happen, and certainly yes, I've no regrets, and I think as time goes on, just things will continue to sort of improve. And I'm off one of the medications now, the finasteride, and I think the tamsulosin you're probably going to
stop that in the next few weeks.
Yes. So I think yes, I've been very impressed. You know, the opportunity to have that here, which has been great, and I know the sort of clinical experience, the clinical treatment has been second to none, and sounds a lot better than the older, more conventional method. Certainly in terms of the recovery time. In fact, there's no recovery time really. So I think that's probably it mostly, but certainly I feel much more comfortable now, and there's not the urgency to go to the toilet now as there was before.
So considering your positive experience with EchoLaser, is that something that you would recommend to your friends and family?
Definitely, yes. In fact, one or two people of a similar age have asked me about it already. So I think definitely, yes, I would. I think without doubt, I would recommend it. Finally, I'd just like to thank the Royal Surrey Hospital here in Guildford for the opportunity to have this new treatment, and yes, I'm totally happy, and I think it's recommend a step forward.